And it's a great opportunity for us and for user forces to conduct combined training with our partners, just to test our contingency and figure out how can we work together. We have elements from 1st Cavalry Division as well as striker units coming out from USARA. That's an element that's stationed in USARA itself in Germany. And it's going to be also elements of 12th Aviation Combined Brigade. And again, all those units coming in here to conduct training with national forces and as long as the armed forces of Georgia.